companies here know that their net zero requirements are part of what business is thinking about today. So if you're looking at a destination that would not only give you an investment opportunity, but it will also help green your business, it is the reason why you should invest in Kenya, because it gives you the opportunity to make sure that you begin the journey to meet your net zero requirements. We have just concluded the purchase of another 5,000 acres in a green zone that will give opportunity to business to be able to do your business, but also earn the points that will give you your net zero target in your business. So, and we are continuously moving our green energy, and I have told you by 2032, in 8 short years, we will be 100% green in our grid. And therefore, you have an opportunity to do business and to green your business and make sure that we live in a planet that tomorrow we can bequeath to our children. I think it's a great opportunity for all of us to do business sustainably. And there is the chance in Kenya to do your business sustainably.
Amen. And in Kenya, the creative economy is already 5% of GDP. Remember I said tourism, which is what Kenya is so known for, is 10% of GDP. And so think about it, if that is tremendous opportunity, I think, for the employment of young people. And so there's a real move afoot by the president and his administration to build the creative economy. And this will take time. Listen, Lagos, Nigeria has been doing this for quite some time, but there is a real core of creatives there. There is the financing availability there. Nikki Weinstock is going to make 10 movies in Kenya by Kenyan creators. So I think with a little bit of focus and making sure that business climate is great for creatives, I think this can be a very big business for Kenya. And as I said, we've been very inspired by what we've seen here. So thank you for hosting.
You know, the Kenya workforce is the most educated workforce, incredible opportunity, and he's doubling down on investing in Kenya. He so believes in its promise and its future. And so with that, what specific advice would you give to these U.S. private sector executives here in Atlanta tonight, considering entering the Kenya market for the first time?
Yeah, go for it.